Hello, welcome to another tool. Today I'm going to talk about Blobmaker. Last week I talked about Gateway made by Creative Labs. If I think the name is Richard Zimmerman, who creates the tool, but it's Creative Labs. Richard Zimmerman did it. The Creative Labs is the design agency. Last week I talked about this. Here is the web page of them. They have different tools. They have this quiz that I showed last week. But yeah, today it's about blob makers, and blob makers was also a strong trend, and still is on the internet when you're making products, when you're making websites. This is not animation, animated. So there are others now that you can create an animated animation right away. This is not, so it's static, but even though it's pretty useful, it was actually product of the day. Day one product of the day. Let's see when. Product of the week in January 2019. So yeah. So here it's pretty simple. You can change the color. You can add the code of the color. Here you can see how straightforward or more with more shapes you want the blob, and also if you want more round or if you want less round. Here you can put random. So choose whatever you want. Here you can have the code. That is really important because sometimes, of course, you can download it, but if you want to add it to some other things, this is one way. You just can you can have it on your code editor, for example, or of course you can download it, and it downloads as SVG. And basically, it's pretty simple. It's pretty useful. You can use it for small backgrounds, for example, or illustrations. It's okay to use. It's completely free, so give it a try and see you. I'm gonna put the link on the website, of course, and on the video, and see you next time. Bye.